What's up, everybody? Main boat guy. What's up, everybody? Main boat guy back again. Today we've got mercuiser 3 liter. What I'm going to go through is going to be the same for pretty much any sterndrive carbureted with an electric choke. We're going to go over a little bit about that choke and see if we can get this one adjusted to get this thing to work better. Choke staying on way too long, running real rich when it's cold. Sorry about the background noise, we're right near the road if you can hear that. Beautiful day in Maine, snow's finally melting away. We're finally getting back to the swing of things. So yeah, we're gonna see if I can get this camera set up good. All right, so when you first take the cover off, you're gonna see the choke is in the wide open position from the last time you ran it. I'm gonna walk over to the throttle controls, and we're gonna get to the neutral position in the throttle. We're just gonna give the throttle one pump, and that's what drops your choke plate into position. Now, the biggest thing on this is when you turn your key on, puts power to the inside. I will try and take this cover off to show you the giant, well, I don't want to say giant, but big spring on the inside that's controlling this choke. When you put power to it, it heats up that spring and causes your choke to open up. So the amount of pressure that's on this is basically going to determine the amount of choke you get, how long the choke sits there until that spring can open that thing all the way up. So see if I can get back here and turn the key on. So you can see it opening up there. It's going very little bit at a time, and it's also assisted by the vacuum of the engine while it's running. Oh, let's get this set back up here somewhere. Well, actually, we're not going to be able to once we get that screw out. So, I think I can pull this out of here now. You'll see that spring that I'm talking about. So basically, as soon as the juice is applied to that spring starts to move. And in turn, it will move this lever, which connected directly to the choke. So let's put it back together and adjust it. That little tab right there, a hook, is going to grab onto that tab like so. Let me get the camera up. that's about it. In a second, she'll get a little more open. They shut down the engine. Once she's open all the way, that linkage, really hard for me to point out that linkage right there, but if you follow that arm down from the choke, and you'll see the linkage where it has to do with the throttle, and then once you move the throttle, it allows that choke linkage to snap back down and close the choke. Yeah, so before you're done, give it 5 minutes. Let that spring cool down, lock the choke in the all the way up position, and then double check putting your controls in neutral, and then just give it a little bit of throttle and make sure your choke plate closes back down into position. I hope that's all there is to it. It's as far as I've ever gone with those. I may be missing something. If I am, let me know in the comments. I'd love to learn something if I don't already know it. Other than that, hopefully this helped you figure things out on your boat, gave you a little bit of information. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you already haven't. We'll see you on the next one.